one other thing, if we go to the short-term time frame, if you're a short-term swing trader, this move right here, I've seen some people commenting about PNG. Uh, it's not, they're saying it's a bull flag. It's technically not a bull flag. I'm not trying to prove anyone wrong. It's kind of a falling wedge. I know you can see the flag pull right here and everything, but on the 4 hour time frame, they tend to not play out as well as on the long term. So I really wouldn't be getting putting too much weight behind that. Now, if we just look at the grand scheme of things, what I've been doing with a lot of these coins is that I just zoom out and I look at the week chart. The week time frame is for your long-term holders, and this is where a lot of coins right now are printing. This is where a lot of them are converting from their bearishness to the bullishness from 2025. And we can kind of see for the last 3 weeks now, we have crossed over bullish on the MACD. So the week chart's not looking bad at all. We have a lot of room we can run on the RSI, WTX, and the stock RSI is still ripping. We still have blue over orange on the weekly. So the week chart is actually looking pretty good, great, and that's what I like to see here. With a lot of coins, you can go to pretty much go to a majority of coins right now, go to the week chart, and the week chart's looking insanely good for them. Now, if we just draw the fib here from the high to the low, excluding the scam wick right here, what we are running into is the 618 at approximately 20 cents. So 20 cents is our price to beat. We do have a lot of price history around this general area. This was a support back here in August 8th of 2024, support here November 10th of 2024, and then it's been resistance for us since February, pretty much the entire 2025. That 618 has been a resistance area, so that is our area to be. We're just stuttered. We're not going to be crazy bullish until we get over 20 cents, which I think is easily doable. I've mentioned this several times in the past. We do technically have a $10 prediction on the 1618, and Penguin, the all-time high was 1885 back in the day when it first came out, which if we look at the 1885, that is all the way up here. I'm not going to knock it. But realistically, at the beginning of this video, I thought I remember saying it could go over 18, but now that we're looking at the charts now, it's going to need some momentum behind it, some sort of gas to push it up that high, which is easily doable in a bull run. It's easily doable, but realistically, I wouldn't be shocked if this went to a couple dollars to $10. It is a small market cap, so a 10x from here is technically, you know, a 10x from here is $1.70, which is a $380 million market cap, then so on and so forth, until you reach higher highs. One thing we can kind of look at here and see if they did put more coins in circulation is if you go to the market cap of the coin and look at max, you can kind of see max and then the price. You can see the price was all the way up here when it first came out at $20, and the market cap was all the way down here at 19 million, which means there was not that many coins in circulation back when we hit that all-time high market or all-time high price. The market cap was way lower than it is now when we hit $20. So that leads me to believe if we go to the price now and you can kind of see where the market cap is, it's way higher than when it was when I hit the all-time high price, that we're going to need a lot more buying power to reach that $18 price range. That's why it's down 99.1. So realistically, I'd be looking for maybe a somewhere between 230 to $10 range. It's always good during the bull run to kind of get a general idea between the 1236 and 1618 area. And some of you guys are like, oh man, I thought we were going to crash at the all-time high. Well, that's actually still a really, really good gain from where we're currently at. If we go all the way up here to the top, that's a that's a 54x right there up to the 1618. And if we only go up to the 1236 at $2, that's a 12x right there, 13x right there. So nothing to sneeze at. But overall, the day chart's not looking the best. The week chart's looking fantastic. What we really need to focus on here for PNG is overtaking the 618 at 20 cents. 20 cents is the price to be.